how to find unrecognized logins, notification settings on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find unrecognized logins, notification settings on Instagram Lite. First, then open Instagram, and here you will find your profile, and then just click this three lines in the top corner and then click settings. And here you will find notifications, and then from Instagram, and as you see here you will find it unrecognized logins, and here you can manage it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.